All right, let's check. What are we doing here? Let's check markets with Scott Crothers and Stifel Nicholas. Good morning, Scott Crothers.
Good morning, McGraw.
All right, so rates went up, and the Dow, well, that kind of went down.
Exactly. Yesterday, the Dow was down 106 points to 26,385 as investors reduced their risk bets after a widely expected rate hike. Treasuries advanced while the dollar rose slightly, dragging down gold prices. The 10-year U.S. Treasury closed at 3.0499%, and that was up. We also had a surprise build in U.S. crude inventories, and that hurt oil prices yesterday.
Yeah, oil prices are volatile. We'll get to that here in a bit. Let's talk about that interest rate hike. What did the Fed say yesterday?
Right. The U.S. Federal Reserve raised interest rates on Wednesday and left plans to steadily raise rates as it forecast that the U.S. economy would enjoy at least 3 more years of growth. They lifted the overnight lending rate by 0.25% to a range of 2 to 2.25%. They see more rate hikes in, one more rate hike in December, 3 next year, and 1 more in 2020. The Fed also, they dropped the language describing the policy as accommodative and more towards neutral now.
Plot thickens. All right.
Plot thickens.
Yeah, so, all right, we'll see where that goes. Accenture, what's going on there?
Well, Accenture, the provider of consulting and outsourcing services, reported an 11% rise in quarterly revenue. Net income rose to $1.03 billion, or $1.58 a share, from $932.5 million, or $1.48 a share in the fourth quarter. Net revenue rose to $10.15 billion from $9.15 billion. So great numbers out of Accenture.
And then what are you got a big deal going on Sunday. What's going on Sunday with you?
Right. In fact, I wanted to talk to you about that. I want to ask you to support me as I ride in the Pedal for the Cause this Sunday to help raise money for the fight against cancer. I'm riding in honor of a friend who died a few months ago. I was originally riding to support her fight, but she lost that battle before we could ride. So if you could, or any of your listeners, just go to Pedal for the Cause and put in Scott Crothers on Team Stifel and just make a donation. I would really appreciate it.
And then what do you have to do on Sunday?
Sunday, just ride. We're basically taking a long ride, and we're riding like 20 miles. And just to raise money.
Yeah, no, it's a good deal. All right, so we go to Pedal for the Cause? Pedal the Cause.
For the Cause. You write that in on the internet.
Right.
Go to Team Stifel and then look for my name, Scott Crothers.
Scott Crothers, and then we fund you. You ride and raise money for your friend. What a great, what a nice thing to do. And Scott, we are happy to help out and glad we're able to give it a little bit of a push. And you don't mind if we mention this tomorrow too, do you?
Oh, that'd be great. If you could do that, that'd be super. Yeah. I really appreciate it, McGraw.
You betcha. No, it's a nice deal, and we'll keep you in our thoughts and prayers. That's Scott Crothers. Scott, have yourself a good day. We'll go to Pedal the Cause, go to the Stifel team, and look for Scott Crothers. And we'll talk to you tomorrow. Have a good day, Scott.
Sounds good. Thanks.